The tomato is a widely consumed fruit around the world. The sale of it provides many an opportunity to make ends meet, especially when it is out of season, which causes the price of the commodity to increase. However, the tomato has flooded the market. As a result, the price of tomatoes has gone down. Some tomato traders are unhappy with this development as their profit margins have reduced.
Because business because the cheaper it's everywhere. Tomato 15
On the other hand, tomato consumers such as restaurant business owners are happy with this as they are now able to buy more for less.
Like my restaurant, kupanga grave, tugonfya tomato. So that's why that temwa sana pakusanga tomato yachipo msangungu.
This excitement may not last for long, as supply may no longer meet demand, resulting in an increase in price due to change in weather patterns. Liseli Kanyanga, Movie TV Business News in Lusaka.